Welcome back to the chapel. It's been 2 months. 2 months we haven't posted a video. I've played a couple rounds the last week or so. I've just been getting back into it. My back went out 2 months ago. All I was doing was unloading the dishwasher. Nothing spectacular. I wasn't deadlifting a car or anything like that. I was just being a fat 40-year-old. That's it. That is it. And not that there's anybody just on the edge of their seat waiting for me to post another video. So I might have let maybe one person down. I don't know. That's stretching it though too. But anyways, we're in the ProTee United Society 2-round event. Hopefully we can do something special. If not, I'll just apologize in advance for the shitty golf. All my feels, I feel like, for sim golf are just gone. So this could get real ugly today.
First drive nerves out of the system. Should be interesting.
Alright, not a bad start. Oh, 106 heavy rough. So we gotta add that 14% for the heavy rough. Probably hit me a P wedge. Sit, 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 sit.
And he's probably gonna like that.
A little too much.
And this one's for birdie.
Great putting. Who knows how this is gonna go? 2 months not putting on a simulator. It's basically the same as never have ever putted on a simulator.
That was very close.
I'll take that as a first putt. That's good. I like that.
And now the second hole.
Par 5. What is it to cover that sand over there? Oh, 280 cover. Not a chance I got that today.
This one's looking like it's finding the fairway.
All right, good start to the 5s. Oh, this is okay. We're gonna go 3-wood, but this I got the new QI 10 Tour 3-wood because I don't know. I think I'm good at golf, but for some reason, this club loved to draw. It's the first time I've had a 3-wood love to draw. So hopefully we can get this cut out of it. I'm sure we can. Go. Gotta go.
This is not going to be good.
Not bad.
And from the sand.
Not bad. I'll take that on a par 5. Being greenside-ish in 2. Oh, okay. This is it's one of those feel shots that I haven't done in 2 months. Sit. Whoo! Birdie. Automatic birdie, love to see it. Oh, I don't know if this is good or bad right now.
And now, let us see. Third hole has in store.
This could end up being a collapse. Just kidding. Never mind. Staying positive. We're going low. Oh no, we hooked it. No, we didn't. We roped it. Yes.
This is some serious power.
Nice. Oh, not nice. Who puts a fucking tree right there? Oh, we'll have to remember that for round 2 to not hit it this far down. Now we gotta hit kind of maybe like a punch pitching wedge. Maybe I can knock down the gap wedge under. I don't know. We'll see. Try to knock the gap wedge down. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit that tree though. Oh, nope. Big hop. Right there, spin. Yes. Yeah, baby.
Happy with that. This one's about a 7-footer.
I am happy with that. Let's see if we can capitalize. No! Oh, what an idiot. I knew it too. I should. I didn't listen to myself.
All right, here's the 4th hole.
Fuck, gave that one away. Oh, disappointing. Disappointing. Oh shit.
And this is not going to be enjoyable.
Okay. Oof. 150 out of the sand. We're gonna try to get a 7-iron there. All my numbers have been so weak since I've been back. I might, honestly, might need a 6. Go right. Okay, right club. Good number. Oh, it's getting better. Maybe we can bury this one.
Shot out of the bunker, and I'm thinking birdie.
Okay, I play more than I think. Oh, sit.
Just inches away from greatness.
Okay, not that much, apparently. One under through 4. I'm happy with this so far.
Okay, let's see what the 5th has in store for us.
Gonna go 6. Probably should hit 5, but it's a lot of green. Oh, and I thinned it. Fuck.
Going with the 6-iron.
Ah.
Well, it's not on the top of the list of best approach shots today.
Oh, is this where
Too much club on that one.
this where we collapse from here on out? No, that was just one swing. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh.
Next up is a par 4, folks.
That was a good save. Got fucking nose hairs. Or mustache hairs tickling my nose. Ah! Get lucky.
This one could be either way, folks. I'm not sure if it's going to be safe or not. And this is
Good.
a 105-yard shot to the pin.
Oh, 105. That's like all of my gap wedge. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay. I probably should hit a little knockdown P wedge, but I'm gonna see if the gap can get there. Oh, I pulled the shit out of that. Oh, and it's slicing? Okay. That's fun. Well, that was a number.
Well, that approach shot's not going to be on anyone's highlight reel, I don't think.
Nope.
Too much club on that, I think.
Oh, one of these stupid. Oh, these are the worst with the Skytrak. Sit. Sit. 6 feet. That should be good. Par save. We're only 2 back.
Let's see what the 7th hole has in
We're
store
only
today.
2 back. Coming off a bad back. Oh, kick left for me. Yes.
And about 205 yards to the pin.
Okay. I don't. I'm gonna go 3 iron. Hopefully it gets there. Should land around, I don't know, 185, 190 and just roll on. Oh, I pushed the shit out of that. Oh, sit. Sit. Oh, it's off the back. It's all right, par 5.
And missing the approach on that one.
Right.
Too much club, I think.
Pinch that one nicely. A little too nice. Oh shit, hit the pin. Hit the pin. Fuck. There's the fields I'm talking about. They gone. Oh, I just gave myself a sweet little one. These are the best. Fuck. Go in. Alright, save.
And now setting up on the par 3.
Going with a 6-iron. You gotta apparently reset the bag because it goes from 5-iron to 5 hybrid.
I think that's a 5-iron.
Oh, be really good. Run. Run. Okay, now stop running. Sit. Sit. Oh, shit.
Missing the approach on that one.
Damn.
Too much club on that one.
Oh, this 11 yards isn't terrible. What? It didn't go anywhere.
And to save par.
What? All right. Let's save. Another scramble par. Late break on this one. Oh, I might have hit it too hard. Late break hard. Fuck.
You were just missing here.
Ah. Not good. Dang, 5 back now.
Okay, and on to the 9th.
Oh, off the heel. Come on, smart face.
And oh my, this is going towards the sand.
Shit.
Let's see how this goes out of the bunker.
Oh. Okay, I think we'll be able to hit a 9-iron just fine. Oh, be good. That felt good. Go. Go. Sit. Sit. Yes. Yes. Oh, automatic. Yeah, baby. Dang, Lance is up there.
Okay, and the 10th hole.
It's good to see Lance playing well. Oh, that felt good.
And
That felt good.
was a powerful drop.
Oh, kick right. Oh, sit. Whew. 83. Okay. A little gap or sand or whatever you want to call it. My 53 degree. Whoo! Back to back darts. That's what I like. Another one. 3 back.
Okay, now moving on to the 11th.
Oh, and a par 5. Don't hook. Don't hook. Nice.
This is looking fairway bound. From 245 yards out.
245. That should be a 3-wood. I mean, I still probably can't get it there, but as long as we don't absolutely hook or slice the shit out of it, should be a pretty good number. Oh no. No, 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 no. Go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Oh, that was so lucky.
Unfortunate luck there on that approach shot. Just not enough club on that one.
That was so lucky. So lucky. That was a twist face technology. Bury this for an eagle. Oh, I pushed it. Sit. Oh, just a little push. That was good. Just gave it a little unnecessary push. But another birdie.
And now it's setting up for the next par 4 hole.
Right. Yeah, it looks like from the past tournaments, Lance has been playing pretty good. So that is a good, his score is a good comparison to the top guys that are playing. So if we can keep up with Lance right now, I'm feeling pretty good about my game, especially coming off a 2-month layoff. Oh no. Don't. I need you to sit real soft. Real soft. Aye. Yes.
And he's probably not too happy about that.
No, I'm ecstatic about that. Not too happy my ass. Whew. That was almost disaster. Man, that was close. All right, like it. Like it? What am I talking about? I love it.
And this putt is
I
full of
love
bird.
it. To go from almost OB or water to a 15-foot birdie putt. I love it.
Finishing this one with a good putt.
Yes. Yes. What?
And
Way to
two
capitalize
off on this par 4.
on that almost water ball. Okay, I'm gonna definitely stay away from the water this over here. Oh, it's not cutting. All right, not bad.
Yeah, he's probably not happy about that shot.
Not bad. Oh, a little short-sighted. Bad angle. Oh, tried to get it up. Be enough, club. Right there, stop. Uphill putt, yes.
And I think he will like that. And setting up 13 feet from the cup here.
Is this a straight putt? This first little bead goes slightly left, then right, then left, left. Maybe inside the right edge. Oh, should be good. Oh, and I didn't hit it? Fuck. Oh, another one. What a moron. Oh, I just gave away that. Oh, that was in the heart, too.
And now the 14th hole.
What an idiot. Oh, this is a dangerous pin. What do we got to get on? 60 to cover. I feel like 6-iron. I feel like a 6-iron only because I don't want to be over the back. I think a 6-iron will land on and run to about 180. Oh, not when I hit it like shit. There's a lot of green over there, though.
6-iron.
Oh, okay. It's going to be a doozy of a putt.
And that shot will be on the green with a fairly lengthy putt ahead.
Yeah. And a foot downhill. Everything going left. This is just a prayer. Foot downhill. Is that hard enough? Oh, it's too hard. Sit. Sit.
And about 7 feet to go here.
All right, 7 foot to save. Just left edge should be money. Oh, I hammered it though. Take it, take it, take it. Yes.
And that one drops for par. And now setting up for the par 4 tee off.
Felt good.
And the shot's looking promising.
Promising. That's looking perfect. Felt good. It'll knock down 53. Hopefully we can recreate that last knockdown we had. I think it was 84 a few holes ago. Oh,
The
shit.
shot might
Spin.
be a bit long.
Spin.
No,
All right.
much worse. That'll work.
downhill bender though. That's not fun. Okay, just trickle it out to the left. Oh, sit. Sit, 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 sit.
Misses.
Oh, that was a... I think that was a good line.
For the par.
Just needed a different pace. Perfect. Yep.
And a nice putt.
We are just hanging on.
And now setting up on the 16th tee.
2 birdie putts we gave up today. Let's see if we can get to that 5 under on this par 5. Oh, I lost it right. Sit. Sit. Oh, good kick into the fairway. Yes. Thank you, golf gods. Oh. Definitely not getting there. I'll try though. That might go left. Nope, right at it. Go. That's not even close.
This is not going to be good.
Okay. Now we got not bad. We got a lot of green. Let's see if we can get it tight. Oh, that's got to go. Go. Ah. Big putt for birdie.
This for the birdie.
Damn it. That was a mistake, leaving it that long.
Oh,
Sit.
it just didn't.
Oh, don't make me putt again. Yes. 2 to play, 1 back.
And now teeing off on the par 3 hole.
Par 3. Oh. Should be a 3-iron. Oh, I don't like all that water though. There's a bailout bunker over here to the left. Oh no! Fuck!
That looks like a 5-iron.
Oh no! Are you serious? It is so bad it's good.
And he can't be pleased with himself.
Oh,
He is deep into
Oh
the rough
my
on this next shot here, folks.
a fucking shank to the left side of the pond or to the lake. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Spin. Oh, okay. We have a chance
Now
to save.
15 feet.
We have a slim chance to save. I hope 18 is a par 5. Go in, please. Damn it! I just hammered it.
Just misses.
Fuck! I got a putt again.
13 feet away.
I mean, kind of deserved a bogey, a double bogey after that tee shot. Oh, that's not hard enough. Fuck. Oh, we were doing so good. Oh, 17th hole collapse.
And
Damn it.
Tees off here on the final hole. He's only 3 strokes off the lead.
Can't be too upset though. Still playing better than I thought I was gonna. Oh. Go.
A promising looking shot here.
Oh, barely covered. Nice.
From 125 yards out.
Okay, should just be a nice, easy P wedge. Oh, not a tugged fucking P wedge.
Could have put a bit too much club on this one.
Yep. Oh.
And
What do we
I
got,
think
30
he's gonna
foot?
like that. And this putt is for birdie.
38 feet. Awesome. Downhill, everything's going right. Just tap it and cross our fingers. Oh, that was a good putt. That was a good putt. Oh, all right. What a round, though. Honestly, I'm okay with that. Little collapse on 17, but other than that, solid day. Considering haven't played for a couple months. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.